Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to sell PC on eBay. Selling PC on eBay or anything is pretty simple, guys. But in case you were selling like a used PC that you have already and you want to sell it, just get rid of it, I highly recommend you to use Facebook Marketplace for that. But if you want to use eBay anyways, this is the place for you. First of all, click on my eBay right here after opening ebay.com and signing in, of course, and go to selling. This hover arrow, click on it, and then you have to click on sell an item. Make sure that your country is available on eBay since they will not always allow you to list items by any country. For example, mine is not available, but I can show you the first few steps. Here, give it what you are selling. Let's write here computer, desktop PC, and click on search. Once you have done that, find a match in case you had found one. Continue without a match in case you didn't find what you were looking for. You can play here with the filters in the settings to find a specific match of your PC. Continue without a match, and here choose either you want to sell a new PC, open box, used, or few parts, or let them know that few parts are not working. For example, you have 8 gigabyte of RAMs, but only the half works. For example, you have 4 and 4 and only 4 works. You have like a very old CPU that gets heated very fast. So yeah, this is something that you have to take in consideration. Let's take here new, and yeah, here you are simply going to fulfill this page with information. For example, here take a picture of your PC. Let's, for example, see this one, get it downloaded and upload it right here. Give it a title. Make sure to choose and use ChatGPT for that to give you a very interesting title with SEO optimized. Here, item category, it has been done already. And then simply fulfill all these informations. Write a description, price right here, and here the shipping policy, and finally click on list it. And just like that, you'll be selling your PC on eBay. See you guys in the next tutorial.